Hi, I'm Richard Dattner, the architect of the West 59th Street Marine Transfer Stations, designed in collaboration with Greeley and Hansen, the engineers for the facility. Marine transfer stations are the place where garbage trucks drive in, each one with about 10 tons of solid waste. They back up to a slot in the floor, they tip their load, and all the garbage goes sliding down into barges which are waiting down below this tipping level. The barges, when they are full, are then towed by a tugboat to the final resting place for this refuse. The importance of these structures is the fact that they extremely reduce the need for garbage trucks to drive themselves to dump the garbage. What's happening now, because many of these marine transfer stations are not currently in operation, is that when the garbage truck picks up the garbage in your neighborhood and is full, it will drive through the Lincoln Tunnel or over the George Washington Bridge to somewhere in New Jersey, dump the garbage on a landfill and come back, requiring a drive of 20 or 30 miles, spewing untold tons of carbon dioxide and making a big mess in traffic. So the mayor's solid waste management plan is restoring many of these marine transfer stations, and we in fact have designed now 5 of them around New York City, which are, some are under construction, some are being rehabilitated, so that the new generation of marine transfer stations will have the trucks dumping garbage into containers such as, similar to shipping containers, a rectangular metal box. When these containers are full of solid waste, they will be sealed, a top will be put on and screwed shut, and then these will be taken in barges again to the final resting place. The improvement being that there will be no barges full of exposed garbage, with some of which can fall into the river, some of which will get picked at by seagulls. So the city is undergoing a very large program of rebuilding marine transfer stations, which will have a beneficial effect on the environment of New York. The fascinating thing about this kind of facility is that most New Yorkers, although they may pass one of these every day, don't have the faintest idea of what's going on in here and how important it is to their daily well-being. So these marine transfer stations are doing a historic job, one that was done 100 years ago, of dealing with the 13,000 tons of waste that New Yorkers daily generate.